Hey y'all, Ashley Bright here, back with another project share video for Hip Kit Club. Let me show you what I made. So this is a design team project that I shared earlier this month. This is an embroidery hoop that I turned into a little pocket using some Jen Hatfield paper and then a bunch of different Maggie Holmes products. So that's this little pocket, and I made some embellishments to go in the pocket. One are these bottle cap embellishments. So simple pink bottle cap with some stickers, enamel dots, and then here is the back topper I made for it. With lots of layering there, multiple chipboard pieces and stickers and enamel dots. So that's this first one. Then also using some bottle caps, I made these ribbon embellishments. Same idea, puffy stickers and other stickers. And then here's the back topper. And then I also made these little simple heart embellishments. The back of this is a card from the Pocket Life kit, and then just punched out the hearts a couple times to layer those up, and then put on some sentiments. So that's our little pocket. But I made a few more embellishments, kind of like just standalone embellishments to include, and I love how these came out. Here are some little flags that I used a bunch of little details for. So they have some stickers, enamel dots, chipboard, puffy stickers, and some of these like adhesive brads that we got. There are so many really cute, like teeny tiny puffy stickers in the Carta pack, which is super useful for these like little mini embellishments. So yeah, these are these three, and like I said, I think they came out so cute. Added some charms as well, and then here is my bag topper. And I made a couple packets of these. So here's the second packet. Again, just think these came out so cute. And then the back topper. And so those are some of the embellishment packs that I made. Another thing I had made as a design team project were these little bouquets, and I decided to make a little box for them. So here is this box that I made, and then the little cluster for decorating the front of it, and then this polka dot vellum. And then I put the little banner embellishments inside of here. So I added little foam floral pieces, and then used the little Maggie Holmes butterflies, some enamel dots. And yeah, really easy, simple to make, but they're really cute and very like dimensional little touch to any kind of project. So that's that. Then I had also made some little embellishment books. So this I made with just some chipboard. These are 3x3. The book itself is simple, pretty simple. There's nothing on it, and I just used a little belly band to use as a closure. There's some Velcro on the back, but they also just all slide off. So here's this first one, super cute. And then inside all of these, there are some 3D butterflies. This is using a Hip Kit Club cut file. It's a layer cut file, and then I just stitched the center of it. And same idea, I just cut out some hot air balloon shapes a few times, and then had it scored down the center and created some like easy dimensional hot air balloon shapes. So that is what's in these. I'll show the other two really quick. I love how the front of this one came out. I love blue and pink as a color combination. So cute. And these are all like Maggie and Holmes. This one, ephemera. And then the inside of this one. And then last but not least is this third book, Dream Happy. And then here's the inside of this one. So those are the little embellishment books. And then last but not least, I made a little carton with some rosettes. So here is this little carton that I decorated. And there's this cute little rosette on the top of it. This is puffy sticker, and then this is like just the packaging. And then I put some rosettes in here, so to show those real quickly. So here's this first one. Actually, really like how this came out. There's lots of red touches that are included in these kits, and so I made kind of like a red rosette, and that was really cute. And then I had to make a blue and pink one, of course. Lots of layering, chipboard, stickers. This is Pocket Life kit, adhesive rags. So yeah, that's this rosette. And then last but not least is a pink and black one. Some fussy cutting here from the papers. Again, some chipboards and Pocket Life, some ephemera, brads. So yeah, lots of different products in these, and this is my project share for this month. I hope you all like seeing what I have been making, and I will see you on the next one. Bye!